Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2022 slot 3 DILR says that there are only 4 neighborhoods in a city. You can call them L, T, P and K. During the onset of a pandemic, the number of new cases of a disease in each of these neighborhoods was recorded over a period of 5 days. On each day, the number of new cases recorded in any of the neighborhoods was either 0, 1, 2 or 3. The following facts are given to us: that how many cases, minimum number of cases, which locality had more cases or less cases compared to others, etc. And we are also given the total number of new cases in over the period of 5 days in these localities. So we will create a table like this. Now what we will do is, one thing to note here is extremes, like P and K are extremes. K is getting a total of 14 cases, and we know that we can have 1, 2, 3, or 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, or 3 cases. Now, if a locality has 3 cases on 5 days, it will have maximum 15. So, K has just 14 cases. That means K will have 2 cases on one of the days and 3 cases on another 4 days. Similarly, if you look at P, there is one information given that the maximum number of new cases in Pesmisto was 2, and this happened only once. So it had 2 cases on one of the days. Now it cannot have 2 cases on another such day. It has to have 3 more cases, total 5 cases, and one of the days it will have 0 cases. So these two cities, we can get the number of cases on each of the days, but not the order as of now. Now let us see the other information. It says there was at least one new case in every neighborhood in on day one. So on day one, at least one new case in every neighborhood. So we will have positive number over here. We cannot have zero. On each of the 5 days, there were more new cases in uh, K than in P. So K is more than P on all days. The number of new cases in the city in a day kept increasing during the 5 days. So number of new cases in the city. So when we talk about city, we need to include all these 4 places. It kept increasing during the 5 days. So that means the total number of cases on day 2 will be greater than on day 1. Day 3 will be greater than day 2. Day 4 will be greater than day 3. And day 5 will be greater than day 4. And we are given that the number of new cases on day 3 was exactly one more than that on day 2. Suppose there are x new cases on day 2. So on day 3 there would be x plus 1 new cases. And then we have fifth statement saying Kitmitso is the only place to have 3 new cases on day 2. So it is the only place with 3 new cases on day 2. Now we will have to find the value of x in order to solve this problem because we have exhausted all the information. Now we find the grand total of the number of cases in these 4 places, that is 24 plus 19, which is 43. Now applying some common statistical knowledge, that day 3 these are in increasing order. So day 3 is going to be the median value. Let us assume the median value around the average. Let us say it is 9. It could be 8 or 9, very likely, because the numbers are increasing. So we could take a guess of 8 or 9 cases on this day, right? So let us take a smaller value. Let us say that the number of cases is 8. So it should be 7 on this day. So we are going, like we are saying that it should be either 8 or 9. Okay, so let us take the case of 7 and 8. Now on this day we should have a total of, let's say, what is the max that we can get on day 5. Max number of cases on any particular day could be P getting 2, that is its maximum possible. So it can get maximum 2, and others can get maximum of 3 cases. That is the max they can have, because K definitely has 3 cases a day. Okay, and max it can get is 2. So max to max we can get a total of 11 on day 5. So if you get it 11 on day 5, you can get maximum 10 on day 4. So if you add these 4 values, you get 15 plus 21, that is 36. To make it 43 as the total, we need 7 on this day. Okay. Now, if you see this, the number of cases should increase. It should not be equal. Okay. So that means our assumption of 8 cases is wrong. So we can have only 9 cases this day. We cannot have 10 because if you take 10, you will have to make 11 and 12. That we cannot make. So the only possibility is 9 cases on this day and 8 cases on the given day. Now 9 and 8 are done, and maximum these 2 days will be 10 and 11 because it has to be greater than 9. So 10 and 11, now we have the total as 17 plus 21, 38. So there will be 5 cases on day 1. 5 cases on day 1, and all of them have positive values. So minimum if you give 1 1 1 to each, so 1 2 3, 2 cases for k, so that total 5 cases on the first day. Okay, so 5 cases on first day. Now this place has 2 and 4 times 3 cases, so 3 3 and 3 k, we have filled the number of cases. Now if you look at this maximum 11, that is only possible with triple 3 and 2. So this value is going to be 2, and these are the values that are going to be 3. Now, that information, which was point number 5, which is crucial, Kitmitsu is the only place to have 3 new cases on day 2. So, on day 2, we are getting 8 cases. We cannot have any other place with 3 cases. So, we need to fill 5 more cases. 5 can be filled only by 2 to 1. Now, it cannot have 2 times because it has already had a 2 cases. So, it will be 2 2 and 1. Okay, so 2 2 1, that's how we will be able to fill it. Now total 8 cases are done, and this is 9 and this is 10 cases. Now we need to think that how to fill these numbers. Now L we have filled 1 2 3, total 6 cases done. We need 6 more, so that is only possible by filling 3 and 3. Similarly, if you look at T, 1, 2, 3, total 6 cases are done. We need 6 more cases, so 3 and 3. Now total 1, 3, 3, 3, 9 case, so 0 cases, 3, 3, 3, 9 case, so 1 case, that will make it 10. So this is how we will complete the table of the total number of cases on 5 days in these 4 localities. So the key point was finding these two values, and by logical assumption, we got 8 or 9 values. We tested 8, it did not work, so we had to take 9 values on day 3. What best can be concluded about the total number of new cases in the city on day 2? So on day 2, there are exactly 8 new cases. What best can be concluded about the number of new cases in Levmisto on day 3? L on day 3, there were 3 new cases. On which days does Pesmisto not have any new case? So P did not have any new case on day 3. Which of the two statements below is or are necessarily false? So we need to tell which is false. There were 2 new cases in the T on day 3. So on day 3, T had 3 cases. So this is false. There were no new cases in Pesmisto on day 2. This is also a false statement. So both statements are false. On how many days did L and T have the same number of cases? So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, and all 5 days they had same number of new cases. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.